So I am here setting up for Kamai's birthday, and I just put a tablecloth on here that I had gotten from Walmart, including a table skirt. So this is the packaging that they came in. Regular table cover for a rectangular table, and the table skirt. So if you notice, this is for a rectangular table, which is what we have here. However, it's a little short around here. So it misses about back here a little bit, but that's fine. And again, I got them both from Walmart. The skirt was very easy to put on because it has like a tape at the back. And all you did was peel it off, and it sticks right against to the table edge there. So very cute, very simple. Just continuing to set up. Okay, so the theme of Kamai's birthday is Frozen 2. I didn't really get a lot of stuff. I got a few balloons because I'm going to be making a balloon arch, which I'll be showing you guys later, with these colors. I also have a few white ones somewhere laying around. I got forks, and then these gold items here are what I had left over from her second birthday party, which I'm going to be utilizing for her birthday because it's better to reuse, reduce, and recycle than to waste. Okay, so I also got a nice Frozen 2 poster, which I am going to be hanging up for my back wall where my balloon arch is going to go. So it's kind of going to be like I don't even know how to describe it. It's going to be like my main wall in a sense. But yeah, so I'm going to start putting things together and then show you guys the final product. It's not a big party because again we're in quarantine, so it's very minimal party. It's just me, the people in the house, and my sister's going to be coming over. So that's it. Very minimal. With these balloon colors, I know Frozen 2 is more like winter and fall kind of seasons together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using possibly some orange, some purple, the blue, the silver, and some white. But I'm going to play around with it again, and I'm going to show you guys how it turns out in the end. All right, be back soon. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. It's a good thing I had an extra tablecloth, and I just used it as my background here. Just to cover up the kitchen area there, because we have an opening that could see both ways, 2 openings there. I got her letter K there, cups, flowers. So I made this. I just did it just because I was like, okay, let me just do something fun with these napkins here. Just put that together last minute. And that's my table so far. I still need to get the cake stand out, put it out, and display her cake tomorrow. And then set up her poster and balloon area, which I'm going to show you guys afterwards as well. But yeah, that's it so far. Okay guys, this is my final setup. Here's the poster that I got, and this was the balloon garland that I had made. Okay, then over to here we have the table. Nothing changed, but then I go here and I just added some balloons at the top. So everything is the same. I just need to add her snacks and her cake and such, and then we'll be ready for our little quarantine party. But isn't this so cute? Her little topper for her cake. So it says Kamai turns 4 for her frozen cake. It's gonna be so pretty. Yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys.